This is Minute to Win It, and this is Bill's 5th chance trying to do caddy stack, where he has to stack 3 golf balls on top of one another. You may begin. Go.
Oh, come on.
40 seconds. Oh. Contain your balls.
Come on.
20 seconds.
Shh.
You only get 3 chances on the show, let alone 5th.
10 seconds.
Why don't you just waste my battery?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, now